That's Susan.
What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer.
Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We're friends.
Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man?
That short guy on her right. What's his name?
Oh, that's Matt.
He's really good looking.
Yeah,
Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married?
Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I met him before. Brian, do you know how to speak English?
Yes,
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the U.S.?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes, she just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip.
Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me?
I think the supermarket is closed now.
Oh, when does it close?
It closes at 7 on Sundays.
That's too bad.
Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8.
All right. What do you want to do now?
Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will be here about 8:30, and then we can all go out to dinner.
Where does she live?
She lives in San Francisco.
How long has she lived there?
I think she's lived there for about 10 years.
That's a long time. Where did she live before that?
San Diego.
Charles, do you have any children?
Yes,
How many children do you have?
I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
What are their names?
Jack and Stephanie.
How old are they?
Stephanie is 18 and Jack is 24.
Are they in school?
Stephanie is. She goes to college in Washington, and Jack works in Florida.
What does Stephanie study?
She studies English.
Is she here now?
No, she's at school.
William, do you like studying English?
I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Laptop.
Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean?
A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand?
Yes, I think so. Can you say it again?
Laptop.
Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this?
That word is pronounced kitchen.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Thanks.
Hey, how's it going?
Not good. I lost my wallet.
Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen?
No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi.
Is there anything I can do?
Can I borrow some money?
Sure. How much do you need?
About $50.
That's no problem.
Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday.
That'll be fine. Here you are.
What are you going to do now?
I'm going to buy some books, and then I'm going to the gas station.
If you wait a minute, I can go with you.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Hello?
Hi, is James there, please?
Yes. Who's calling?
Linda.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, James. It's Linda.
Hi, Linda.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
Are you busy?
Yes, it's been really busy here all day.
What time do you get off work?
8:30.
I'll call you back after 8:30.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye-bye. David, what have you been up to lately?
I went on a trip with my family last week.
Really? Where did you go?
We went to Europe,
What cities did you go to?
London, Paris, and a few other cities.
Did you go to Berlin?
No, we didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time.
I think this summer is a good time to visit Berlin. It's a beautiful place, and the people there are very nice.
That's what I've heard.
I went there last year. If you want, I can give you some information I have about the city.
Thanks. Sarah, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this coat. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it?
At the mall on 5th Street.
Was it expensive?
No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20.
That's cheap.
I know, it was a really good deal.
I don't think you'll need to wear it for a while. It's been really hot lately.
Paul, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
All kinds, but mostly pop, rock, and classical. Why?
I have tickets to a show. Do you want to go with me?
What kind of music is it?
Pop. It's Mariah Carey.
When is it?
At 8 tomorrow night.
Yeah, I'd like to go. Do you think we should have dinner first?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Let's eat at the restaurant across the street from my apartment.
Oh, I think I know the place you mean. We ate there last month, right?
Yeah, that's right. You have a good memory.
Lisa, would you like to go to the library with me?
Okay. Do you think we can go buy a newspaper first?
Sure. First we'll go buy a newspaper, and then we'll go to the library.
Are we going to walk or drive?
The weather is really nice today. Let's walk.
The weather is good now, but I think it's supposed to rain this afternoon.
All right. Then let's take an umbrella. Is your brother coming with us?
No, he's still sleeping.
Wow, it's already 10. He must have been up late last night.
Yeah, he didn't come home until 12.
I hope he can come later.
I hope so too. I'll give him a call when we get there.
How do we get to the library from here?
It's straight down this road on the left, next to the museum. It takes about 10 minutes.
Hi, Melissa. Are you going home this weekend?
No, not this weekend. I have too much work to do.
Where do your parents live?
My father lives in Washington, D.C.
How about your mother?
My mother died 2 years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is your father still working?
No, he's retired.
Do you have any family here?
Yes, 2 of my cousins live here, and my aunt and uncle live about 30 miles from here.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers who live in New York and a sister who lives in Boston.
Do you see them a lot?
Not as much as I'd like to,